when we click on view, again, AP is going to see everything that's in this queue. So the important things are we've got name, invoice, purchase order, we've got dates, we can see who it's directed to. Some are directed to Norm, some are directed to Cooper, how many days it's in the system, how many days without action, why it's on hold, different types of tracking mechanisms and so forth. So all of this information is available so that from an AP perspective, if you need to check on something real quick, you can quickly see where it is, who it's with, how long it's been there, or even if it is on hold. From a user perspective, if I log in as Cooper, I'm only going to see these two invoices because they're the two that are in my queue to work with. And one is a pricing hold and one is a receipts hold. And so each of the different types of holds, you can decide who should be responsible for correcting those. Do you want everything to start with AP and AP doles it out? Or do you want it to automatically go to the buyer if it's a pricing issue, or to somebody who handles taxes if it's a tax issue? You can decide for each type of hold who it should go to, and then if it's a dollar-based hold, is there a tolerance available on it?